Hey everyone, it's Tuesday morning, March 11th, and welcome back to Capital Markets Quickie. I'm your host, Endrit Sella, here to break down yesterday's market action in just 2 minutes. Before we get started, a quick note. Today's episode is sponsored by AMF Capital Asset Management Frankfurt. For tailored investment solutions and top-quality mutual funds, visit amf-capital.de. Yesterday was rough for the markets, no way around it. Stocks plunged across the board with the Dow Jones Industrial Average sinking almost 900 points, down over 2%. The Standard & Poor's 500 followed suit, dropping about 2.7%, marking its worst single-day performance since September. But the real bloodbath? That happened in tech. The Nasdaq Composite tumbled 4%, its worst day since 2022. And guess what? The so-called Magnificent Seven, the big tech names, led the way down. Tesla took the biggest hit, tanking 15%, officially erasing all the gains it made post-election. Nvidia, Apple, Alphabet, and Meta all fell more than 4% each. So what's behind this sell-off? Well, a few things. First, recession fears are back. Over the weekend, President Trump and his economic advisors openly acknowledged that the U.S. economy might be heading into a rough patch. That's the first real signal from the administration that things might not be as strong as they'd like us to believe. Then, there's the tariff situation. The U.S., Mexico, and Canada are still locked in trade negotiations, and Trump's latest comments haven't exactly reassured investors. He described the economy as going through a period of transition, which, let's be honest, doesn't exactly scream confidence. Looking ahead, we've got some key economic data coming up this week that could add more fuel to the fire. On Wednesday, we get the Consumer Price Index, a big indicator of inflation, and then on Thursday, the Producer Price Index follows. These numbers could give us a better sense of where inflation is heading and whether the Federal Reserve will need to rethink its interest rate strategy. So, yeah, it's shaping up to be another big week for the markets. Stay tuned, stay sharp, and as always, I'll be here to break it all down for you. Thanks for listening to Capital Markets Quickie. See you tomorrow.